Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD, is caused by fat accumulation in your liver. There is no drug to treat this condition, so diet and lifestyle changes can be effective management strategies. So what types of diet and lifestyle changes can help? Stay tuned to parshealthtv to learn more. Number 9. Lose excess weight. The 2018 American Association for the Study of Liver Disease, AASLD, guidelines state that weight loss is essential to NAFLD progression and symptom improvement. Guidelines recommend that people with obesity and NAFLD lose 3 to 5% of their body weight to reduce fat accumulation in the liver. It also says that losing 7 to 10% of your body weight can improve other signs of NAFLD, such as inflammation, fibrosis, and scarring. The best way to lose excess weight and keep it off is to take small steps toward your goals over time. Fasting and extreme diets are mostly unsustainable and can affect your liver. Before starting a weight loss program, be sure to consult with your doctor to determine which program is proper for you. A dietitian can create a meal plan to help you achieve your weight loss goals and have nutritious food choices. Number 8. Try the Mediterranean diet. A 2019 study found that the Mediterranean diet can help reduce liver fat even without weight loss. The Mediterranean diet also helps alleviate conditions associated with NAFLD, such as high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and type 2 diabetes. This meal plan focuses on a variety of plant foods and healthy fats. Here's a quick overview of the foods you should focus on. Fruits and vegetables. The goal is to eat a wide variety of foods. Try adding more figs, berries, oranges, apples, dates, bananas, melons, broccoli, leafy greens, peppers, carrots, sweet potatoes, squash, tomatoes, cucumbers, eggplant, legumes. Try to include beans, pulses, peas, chickpeas, lentils, healthy fats. Use healthy oils like extra virgin olive oil. High concentrations of healthy fats are also found in nut, avocado, frog, olive, fish and lean meat. Choose fish twice a week. Eggs and lean poultry, such as skinless chicken and turkey, are fine in moderation. Whole grain. Eat whole grains and cereals such as brown rice, whole grain bread, whole oats, whole grain pasta, couscous, quinoa. Number 7. Exercise regularly. In its 2018 recommendations, the American Association for the Study of Liver Disease noted that moderate exercise can help maintain weight loss over time, but more vigorous activity may be more beneficial. But exercise may help NAFLD and NASH even without significant weight loss. For the purposes of the NAFLD study, moderate exercise is generally considered 30 minutes of exercise at your target heart rate 5 times a week, consisting of a 10-minute warm-up and a 5-minute cool-down at 30% to 40% of your target heart rate. A popular way to calculate your target heart rate is to subtract your age from 220 to get your maximum heart rate. For example, if you are 50 years old, your approximate maximum heart rate is 220 minus 50, which equals 170. A typical target heart rate is 60% to 80% of your maximum heart rate, so, for example, a 50-year-old would have a target heart rate of 102 to 136. Because medications and exercise levels can affect your heart rate, ask your healthcare professional for advice on calculating this number if you have fitness issues or are taking medication. Number 6. Drink coffee. According to a 2019 study, coffee has many protective effects on the liver. In particular, it improves the production of liver enzymes that are thought to fight inflammation. The same study reported that regular coffee consumption reduced overall liver damage in people with NAFLD. 3 cups of coffee a day is the optimal amount to reduce the risk of liver disease. Black coffee is the best choice because it has no added fat or sugar. Since coffee contains caffeine, it is always a good idea to be aware of your consumption. If 2 or 3 glasses make you feel jittery or anxious, it's probably not the best choice for you. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff and upcoming videos. Number 5. Try milk thistle. A traditional home remedy for liver problems, milk thistle increases the production of enzymes that help the liver eliminate toxins. Several studies have shown that milk thistle, or its active ingredient, silymarin, can help lower the liver enzymes AST, especially ALT. AST and ALT are important markers of liver damage, so lower liver enzymes indicate a healthier liver. Other studies suggest that milk thistle may help reduce liver fibrosis caused by NASH. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, regulates the health claims of dietary supplements and drugs. It is very important to note that the FDA has not approved claims that milk thistle improves liver health. Before you start using herbal remedies, you should consult your healthcare provider or pharmacist about the safety of the supplement and any interactions with medications you are currently taking. Number 4. Try an omega-3 supplement. While some fats should be limited for overall health, other types of fat can actually be beneficial. Omega-3 fatty acids are polyunsaturated fatty acids found in foods like oily fish and some nuts and seeds. They are known to have heart health benefits and are often suggested to people with NAFLD. A 2018 review of research suggests that taking omega-3 supplements can reduce fatty liver and improve cholesterol levels. Number 3. Get your antioxidants. Vitamin E and C, both antioxidants, can help support liver health. The American Association for the Study of Liver Disease recommends 800 IU of vitamin E per day for non-diabetic patients with biopsy-proven NASH. The efficacy and safety of long-term vitamin E use have not been evaluated in people with diabetes or in people with NASH not diagnosed by biopsy. There is less data supporting vitamin C for liver health, but a 2015 Japanese study found that taking vitamin C and E together may help reduce liver damage caused by NASH. Number 2. Avoid added sugar. Adding refined sugar to our diet adds extra calories but provides no nutritional value. High levels of sugar, like fructose, increase fat-producing enzymes in the liver, and this process has been shown to be enhanced in people with NAFLD. Although fructose is naturally found in fruit, the high levels of fructose associated with liver disease often result from the consumption of sugary soft drinks and other highly processed foods. Number 1. Avoid known liver irritants. Some substances can put too much strain on your liver. Some of these substances are alcohol, over-the-counter, OTC, medications, and some vitamins and supplements. Even moderate alcohol consumption can cause disease progression in people with NAFLD, according to a 2019 study. If you currently have NAFLD, talk to your doctor or pharmacist before taking over-the-counter medications, vitamins, or supplements, as many of these medications can affect your liver. Lifestyle and dietary changes are the most effective management options for NAFLD. Losing weight, exercising, cutting back on sugar, eating a nutritious diet, and drinking coffee, if you can tolerate it, are some of the things that can help improve the symptoms associated with NAFLD. If this happens to you, it's important to work closely with your doctor to develop an individualized treatment plan that's right for you. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a great day.